Today on Cooking with Chef Richard discusses the funnel.
Let's talk about this. It's a funnel, right? Probably something we all have in our kitchen. But let me ask a question. Do you have one in your business? Now, you may be wondering what a funnel is. Well, a funnel is a marketing process that turns potential prospects into paying customers. The idea here is to get lots of people coming in at the top and allow them to flow down through that funnel. Now, this visual may help you understand your coaching funnel. Imagine a bunch of marbles circling down a series of funnels. Some marbles go quickly from one funnel to the next, while others circle around and around and around, taking their time. The same concept applies to your coaching funnel. As people enter the funnel, they start engaging with you and your content. So your website, articles, videos, social posts, webinars, and so on. The more they engage with you, the deeper they go into your funnel, until ultimately they make a purchase or several purchases from you. Just like with the marbles, a small percentage of your prospects will see your first few pieces of content and be ready to buy within a couple of days of discovering you. These are your hot prospects who happily go deeper and deeper into your sales funnel because they know you, they like you, and they trust you. They tend to make more emotional buying decisions, or they simply identify with you and your offer to a greater degree. But the vast majority of your prospects need more time to make a buying decision. Maybe they need to see more from you to make a rational decision. Or maybe they love what you do, but they just aren't ready until things fall into place at some future date. These people still go through your funnel, but the sales cycle may take weeks, months, or even years. But through the power of compelling content marketing, you can consistently engage with your prospects and guide them through your funnel. I also like to think about a coaching funnel as a way to filter people. Some people will resonate with you, your message, and your content, and they'll stick around and go deeper into your funnel. Others may not be a good fit. They may unfollow or unsubscribe from you. And you know what? That's okay. You want your tribe to be your raving fans, hanging on your every word, not lukewarm lurkers. So your funnel is meant to separate true fans from the tire kickers. Now in today's video, you will see how to construct your funnel using PLR.me content to build it out. Now here's one thing that is very important. We will not be talking about any particular tool or technology. The reason why is everyone's needs and budget is different. But quite honestly, the technology isn't nearly as important as understanding the underlying concept. Again, the tool you use doesn't really matter. Just master the concept. Okay, so what exactly do you need to create a funnel? Well, let's look at just one example because, well, there are many different ways to structure your funnel. So this is what I'm going to cover today. Step 1, create compelling content. Step 2, create a lead magnet or a free offer. Step 3, create a low ticket offer, for example, an ebook. Step 4, create a mid-ticket item, maybe a 90-minute course. Step 5, create a high ticket offer, like a signature coaching program. For the purpose of this video, let's get straight into a real funnel based on the topic of motivation. So the first step, compelling content. The very first step is to create content that attracts your ideal client into your funnel. This is also called pre-sale content. Why? Well, you want to make sure that people see you as an authority figure in your niche. The more content you publish on a consistent basis, the more your audience will know you, like you, and trust you. And of course, they'll be more open to buying your offers. Now you're going to find your compelling content, guess where? Well, in the PLR.me resource library. Just do a search by keyword or browse by topic. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to search for some items about motivation. Now for your compelling content, you can use the articles, affirmations, presentations, or inspirational images as your pre-sale content. Remember, whenever you publish content on Facebook, LinkedIn, a blog post, or an image on Instagram, you should have a call to action so they engage with you. This could be as simple as saying, leave a comment, send me a message, visit my website, or why not download your free resource. Now, talking about free resources, this brings us to step 2, lead magnet. Because a lot of people ask, what am I going to give away as a free offer in exchange for the person's email address? Well, on the PLR.me site, I did a quick search and I found this item about how to supercharge your motivation. So this is an ideal lead magnet, something that I give for free in exchange for an email address. Now, once they sign up for your lead magnet, you need to email the people. And this is very important because a lot of people forget this step and somebody signs up for their mailing list and then they never receive any emails. So you must make sure that you email the people. But of course, now comes the big question. What do I email my prospects about? Well, of course, with a bit of searching, I found a great email sequence in the resource library, which can help me pre-sell the mid-level offer I want to promote. And if you can't find a specific email sequence on PLR.me, here's a pro tip. You can actually break up an article into a series of 3 or 4 emails and then use those to email out the people on your list. So don't let anything stop you from building your funnel. There's no excuses. It's also important to note that at each level of your funnel, you will need to be emailing the people on your list great and compelling content. This will again help them get to know you, get to like you, and get to trust you, and in turn become customers. Now let's talk about the low ticket offer. The low ticket offer could be an ebook on the specific problem you wish to solve. So in this case, I did a search in the PLR.me resource library and I found a book about motivation, which I'll offer to my clients. So how much should you charge for a low ticket item? Well, I'm going to talk about pricing later on. Now let's talk about the mid-ticket offer. An example of a mid-ticket item could be a 90-minute video course using content from the PLR.me library, of course, where you dive deeper into the challenges that the clients might be facing. Now let's see what I can find in the resource library. Okay, so this looks like something I can use. But what if you can't find a course that suits your audience? Well, here's another pro tip. Take an ebook and use the index as the outline for your course, and each chapter actually becomes a module. This then leads really nicely into your high ticket item. So finally, I could offer a signature coaching program, maybe a year-long program with one-on-one coaching, which will help keep people motivated each and every week. Now, you could also decide to create a membership site, which could provide new content each and every month for a monthly fee. I don't know about you, but I'm getting super excited with all the possibilities that are coming up in this video. Now, as my clients go deeper into my funnel, I ensure I give more and more value. That means more quality interactions and one-on-one coaching. I want to deeply engage with my audience so they can make real lasting change. That way, as they interact with me, they will feel a stronger connection and want to move to the next level of my funnel. Now, what about those who don't go through each step of my funnel? Honestly, it would be wonderful if everyone would buy everything from us. But alas, that's just not real life. And hey, that's okay. Still keep posting authoritative, compelling content on a consistent basis so they continue to learn from you. Don't forget to also email those people who signed up for your lead magnet but have not yet bought. At some point in the future, one particular message might resonate with them and they'll happily enter into the next step of your funnel. Okay, so now getting back to one of the most popular questions which was posed earlier. What about pricing? It's a question everybody asks me and it's a good one. But here's the problem with this question. Giving you pricing advice really isn't all that helpful. Huh? You see, you know your audience. So what is inexpensive to a Wall Street executive might be too expensive for a single parent. So instead of focusing on pricing, focus on value. What will your clients get from purchasing your offer? How will they feel? What pains or problems will they solve? For example, imagine an executive coach who could provide just 2 hours of coaching, deliver a 2-page report, and save a company $5,000 a month. Would $3,000 be too expensive? So focus on value rather than price. Okay, so we're focused on building one funnel to start.
One problem, one product, one solution. Solve just one problem and solve it well.
Oh yes, one problem, one product, one solution. And once you get your first funnel completed, you can build other funnels. Because of course your clients are multidimensional. So you will want to go back to your list of the areas of opportunity we talked about in the previous video. Let me get my wonderful assistant to do a quick recap.
Areas of opportunity can include relationships, self-confidence, midlife crisis, self-esteem, weight loss, fitness, getting through tough times, finding your passion, career change, motivation.
Thanks, Richard. You're such a nice guy to work with. So how can we link these funnels together that we talked about in that video? Well, when you know your audience, you'll be able to serve their needs. For example, once you help your client regain motivation, they may want to work on their physical health. So you could offer a health and fitness product. And once they feel better about themselves, it's now time to work on their relationships. Do you see how everything is interconnected? Now, rather than trying to solve all the problems in one go, you solve one problem really well. Then you can interconnect one funnel with the next. Remember the marbles visual? Different people will go through your funnels at different speeds. Some may buy quickly, others may take months or years. So you need to be always providing what? Compelling and great content. I can't emphasize that enough. By having one problem, one product, one solution, you can plug this into different levels of your funnel. Perhaps a person comes in and buys one of my products for health and fitness. Well, I can easily offer them my motivation program or my relationship program because everything is interconnected. Thus, no matter which way they enter into my funnel, they will end up seeing other offers as well. Now it's time for some Q&A.
Is this the only type of funnel, Richard?
No, this is an example of just one funnel. You know your tribe best, so you may offer a free webinar as your lead magnet, leading to a free coaching call, then sell them a high ticket offer. Or your lead magnet could be maybe 2 free downloadable credits, leading to a monthly or annual subscription. Where's that from? Oh yeah, that's from PLR.me. That's how our funnel works.
Richard, does my lead magnet have to be an ebook, a video, a presentation? Help!
Okay, no need to panic. It's a great question. Your lead magnet can be anything that you wish that helps solve a problem. But the key is that your lead magnet provides incredible value and solves that problem. So this lead magnet could be a 1-page worksheet, a checklist, a report, a video training, or a short webinar. It's up to you.
Another question, Richard. How much should I give away for free?
Excellent question. Well, you want to provide exceptional value at each step, but you don't solve the problem completely. If you do, then the potential customer has no reason to look at anything else in your funnel, right? So plan out your funnel correctly so you can provide enough value and aha moments to guide them to the next step. Oh, and one more thing.
Just one more thing.
People will continue to buy from you if they know you, like you, and trust you. For example, I have a Reiki teacher who is amazing. I did a Reiki course with him, a retreat that he organized, his funnel. Now in his funnel, he has another retreat coming up, which I will also join. Since I made the commitment to buy one thing, he knows if he presents more of what I want, I will buy it. I'm not going to go out and look for another Reiki teacher because I am happy with this person because I know them, I like them, and I trust them. However, there will be other people who will watch you, listen to you, check out your offers, and not buy for months or even years. But when the time is right, they will. So keep producing, what was it? Yes, great compelling content and provide exceptional value. So in this video, we looked at what a funnel is and how some people need more time to make a buying decision. But through the power of compelling content marketing, you can consistently engage with your prospects and guide them through your funnel. Remember, your funnel is meant to separate the true fans from the tire kickers. Then we walked you through the steps to create a funnel. From creating compelling content, to your lead magnet, to your low ticket offer, to your mid ticket offer, and finally to your high ticket program. We also covered that interesting question about pricing and how you need to focus on value. And finally, we showed you how to link multiple funnels together by interconnecting different but related topics. That's it for today, guys. Oh, and if you're not already a member of PLR.me, you should. It's free. Sign up for 2 free download credits, no strings attached. All you need to do is just go to PLR.me. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, it's Richard. I hope you enjoyed the video you've just watched. If you want to ask a question or get clarification on something that I talked about, make sure that you leave a comment and I or somebody else from the team will get back to you. And I've been thinking that this video would be a good video for you to watch. Let me know what you think. See you in the next video.